Everybody should have a Radjet. I haven't flown this model since my previous flying field, and it was some time ago. I ripped off one of the ailerons, and had to repair it with foam tack, and just never got around to coming out again. It is a bit wild, this model, and small, but I've got better at flying wild small models, so hopefully I shall have fun and not a disaster. But hey, you never know, do you? We'll start off with nothing. It is CAG just forward of the throwing holes, and the cockpit don't want to stay on, of course, so we've got a bit of glue and stuck that down. As I say, not a lot of wind, unfortunately. Well, if we throw it that way, we should be able to sort it out. Or not. It's for me that you need a lot more elevator. Oh, really? How did you do that? Oh, not too bad. Except that you've lost a bit. Yay. It's the trouble with these kind of models, really. Well, I can see it's going to be one of them kind of days. What do you think? What do you think, readers? Take two. It's actually quite difficult to hold, this model. That's better. Definitely wants to go that way. Oh, well, if you can laugh about it, it's okay, isn't it? I got it on low rates for aileron as well. Oh man, it's the season for joy. But at least it crashed close, which is good, which means you have got some chance of finding the parts. Oh, it's ejected the battery, never a good thing. Right, well, first of all, minor damage, ejected battery. So ejected battery means, put that down, turn that off. Go for a walk. Oh, there it is, ejected battery. Okay, ejected battery, and looks good. Will it fly again today? Well, it might do, because I brought glue and we didn't break the prop, so let's see. Okay, so stuck the wingtip back on, stuck the battery securing mechanism back in, straightened the wing out, checked all the controls, checked the motor. Done a little bit of damage to the underside, but reinforced packing tape did a lot of good, and it's distorted it a bit. So again, the canopy doesn't fit that well, but I think the glue will hold it. Yes, really, the tape will hold it in place for a couple of minutes or so. So we'll give it a go and see. Wow, certainly done something to it. And it's not good. Just need a lot of altitude in. I see. Altitude in the throwing. A lot of altitude. Probably work better with 4S, to be honest. Okay. You got it. Yeah, it still flies. It's still a bit crazy on that blooming left right. Yeah, still wants to go that way a lot. Just avoid low, high-speed manoeuvres, which is good advice to anyone. I think we could definitely do with toning that down even more. I'm barely touching that. Yeah, you know, it's like all of these things. Flies alright. Wouldn't be my favourite. Suffers a bit when you crash it. And crashing it is quite easy. Yeah, it's pretty much hands off. Apart from this tendency to want to go right, which I've tried to correct. Seem to want to. And need a couple of minutes here because we've already flown this battery. It's right. Every time I bring me 1250 batteries, I'll bring this. Probably get away with moving the battery back just a tad, which is really difficult to do. Yeah, I would say that's probably about that for that battery. And we just need to sort that. So tilt you back a little tiny bit, that'll improve the blooming what's it no end. Yeah. It's a bit rough on the landings, isn't it? But hey, it's still flying, so you know, and mostly in one piece. Yeah, I wouldn't buy another one. It has to be said. Well, I might try the 4S in it. I've got a little 4S to string it out a bit more. It's a little bit bent in parts.